Distimatic will use the internal vacuum of the Hei-VAP system to pull your initial product, educt, into the evaporation flask until it hits the level sensor. The evaporation process will run, refilling the evaporation flask as needed. Once the receiving flask system, valve matrix, reaches a certain fill level, it will be cut off from the system and the solvent, distillate, drained through a slight overpressure. Following the valve matrix flask being drained, a vacuum will be pulled inside of it to match the rest of the evaporation system. This prevents the water hammering effect and allows evaporation to be unaffected by draining. This process will continue until either the evaporation flask is filled to the level sensor with product with the solvent removed, a predetermined number of distillate drains has occurred, or there is no longer product to fill the system with. Once one of these has been achieved, a slight overpressure will be applied to the evaporator to push out your residue into the container of your choice, and the process will reset and continue 24/7 or until there is no educt left to fill the system.